Hello guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY fashion. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every third day. Do you remember the last time I showed you the way to make a turtleneck? This time I also share with you to sew a turtleneck, but it's generally simple to do and took me a while to get it done. I hope I can bring you a simple way to sew a turtleneck. Now, let's get started. I picked up the knitted fabric in beige. I love how feeling when I touch it. It's really smooth and soft. It's thick and stretchy, but not too much. I already cut the pattern here. You can click link over here to see the way I cut pattern, but a seamless neck. And because the material is quite thick and not stretchy too much, then I'm going to make a loose turtleneck. I cut out a front and a back that were identical to each other, as well as two sleeves that were identical to each other. You can adjust the length of the bodice and sleeves as you like, and making the turtleneck as wide as you like, and the height of the turtleneck as well. According to pattern, I cut down fabric, and I'm just starting to bring in the front and the back together at the top of turtleneck down the shoulder by sewing machine. Once the square on sewn up, I turn the right side out. Then I'm going to pin the sleeve into the armhole, starting at the shoulder part, then going down the front and going down the back. And I'm just going to sew them together with sewing machine. Next step, I'm gonna pin the armpit right side together and then sew down the side of the body and the entire sleeve. After that's all done, I'm going to turn the right side out. Last step is doing hand sewing the excess thread to the inside on the top of the turtleneck, the bottom of the bodice, and the end of sleeve. And here's the final result. If you like this tutorial or have another tip, let me know. See you next week. Bye!